Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use your Zilch card online. First, download the Zilch app and create your account. Verify your identity. This will show your spending limit, which is the amount you can use online. Next, link your debit card in the app under the wallet or payment section. To use your Zilch card online, enable it in the app and tap Reveal Card Details. Copy the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Go to any online store, add your items to the cart, and at checkout, enter your Zilch card details just like a regular card. Zilch lets you pay in full or, if eligible, split your payment into smaller installments over several weeks. Always check your balance, payment option, and any fees before confirming. And that's it. That's how to use your Zilch card online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.